Greetings to you, everybody. Welcome to our video session. In this video session, I want to explain to you the topic from Zoos Logos subject, zoology. Here, we have different types of diagrammatic representations on the board. So these are known as types of pseudopodia. Pseudo means false, podia means feet or leg. Pseudopodia means false feet or false legs, whatever. Pseudo means false. What are these pseudopodia? Pseudopodia nothing but these are the special structures which are helps to the locomotion of an organism. Locomotion purpose these are helpful because these are also called locomotory organs, locomotory apparatus, whatever. Along with these pseudopodia, few more. Cilia we have locomotory organ, flagella also we have locomotory organ, etc. Then these pseudopodia or false feet found in protozoan organisms and the two Sarcomastigophora organisms. These all are eukaryotes. Pseudopodia different types. Here we have the representation on the board. So based on their structure and shape, either branched or unbranched, how many are they? Based on their number, different types of pseudopodia we are having in the animal kingdom. Let's see one by one. Number one, lobopodia. Lobopodia helps to locomotion. Main function is locomotion. Secondary function is capturing the food or capturing the prey, preying purpose. These lobopodia are helpful. So lobopodia is nothing but finger-like blunt extension formed from the cell membrane or plasma membrane, or these are called protrusions. Cellular extensions or cellular protrusions, not inward, outward protrusions or extensions. Lobopodia. Example, amoeba proteus. Then coming to next one. Before going to next one, we have few more types of lobopodia. This is also comes under lobopodia or cilia organism. Example, lobopodia. And here also we have lobopodia, diffusia. Example. So these three organisms, three protozoans, Sarcomastigophora comes under lobopodia containing group. The main function is locomotion. Next one, Philopodia. So followed by lobopodia, Philopodia. Example, Chlamydophilus. So Chlamydophilus or Chlamydophilus comes under Philopodia. Here if we could observe the structure, this is unbranched thread-like structure. So here there is no clumsy or network formation of the pseudopodia. So main function is locomotion. Example, Chlamydophilus. Followed by reticulopodia. Example, Globizerina. Globizerina comes under reticulopodia organism. We could observe on the body the thread-like, ray-like structure type of pseudopodia are arised. These are network like or clumsy, branched or network or clumsy type, such type of pseudopodia containing organism is Globizerina. The type is called reticulopodia. Main function, locomotion and also collection of the food. So preying purpose also these reticulopodia highly useful to this organism. The last one, Actinopodia or Axopodia. Example, Actinophrys. Here, these pseudopodia are formed in the form of sharp, needle-like or ray, sun ray-like pseudopodia structures are seen here. Cellular extension, outgrowth or protrusions, whatever. So your main function is locomotion. Prey is secondary. Primary function is locomotion. Example, Actinophrys. So Actinopodia is also known as Axopodia. So these are the different types of pseudopodia found generally in protozoans in animal kingdom. Along with these, two more types also can be seen. Lamellipodia. Lamellipodia nothing but whale-like pseudopodia is known as Lamellipodia. And one more, Granulopodia. Granulopodia in the sense the pseudopodia in which granules are found, that is known as Granulopodia. Take an example, WBC, white blood cells, granulocytes, agranulocytes. Vice versa. Here, Granulopodia means special granules are found. So these are the different types. And based on these all types, these all comes under two special categories. Number one, monopodia. Mono means single. If the pseudopodia is formed singular, alone or individual, is known as monopodia. Whatever among these all, they may be monopodia. Sometimes more than two pseudopodia are formed. Such type of phenomena or condition is called polypodia. So monopodia means single, polypodia means many. Poly means many. So finally, we have here the types: Lobopodia, Philopodia, Actino or Axopodia, Reticulopodia, Lamellipodia and Granulopodia. These all are comes under again two subcategories: monopodia, polypodia. I hope everybody understood this concept. By the way, this is Mr. Karthikeyan, Mentorgum educator in a NEET and MCET and all types of competitive classes, biosyllabus, biology. In one more video, I shall meet you with one more unique topic. Till then, signing off.